Welcome to our channel. If your smart TV won't connect to Wi-Fi or keeps disconnecting, here's a fast, step-by-step fix you can try right now. All in under 30 seconds. Step 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug your smart TV from the power outlet. Wait for 15 seconds. This clears any temporary software glitches. Step 2. Restart your router. While the TV is unplugged, go to your router and unplug it as well. Wait 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in. This refreshes your internet signal. Step 3. Plug TV. Back in now. Plug your TV back in and power it on. Go to Settings, cause Network, Wi-Fi, and reconnect to your network. Make sure you select the correct network and enter the right password. Step 4. Check IP DNS settings. If you're still having issues, go to Settings or Network. Advanced Settings, set IP settings to Auto and DNS to 8.8.8.8. Google DNS. This can fix network-related configuration problems. Step 5. Software update. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update, and make sure your TV has the latest firmware. Older software can cause Wi-Fi issues. If this quick fix worked for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more simple tech solutions. Thanks for watching.